everyone, it's Linda from Filming Studio. Welcome back to the channel. I haven't been able to post any videos for a couple of months now because I've been away from home looking after my mum. So thank you for sticking with me, and thank you also, I've gained some new subscribers in that time, so I'm really grateful. Today I'm previewing the kits for the 5 Days of Fall collaboration between Cara Brandon Designs and Dear Julie Julie. And as usual, I will pop a link down below to the Etsy shops and also to the other YouTubers taking part, because both Cara and Julie's design teams are all taking part in this collaboration. At the moment, the kits are 50% off, so if you want to play along, I suggest you grab them now. The collaboration actually starts on the 22nd of September and it will run for 5 days. With each day, we'll use a page from each of the designers. So let me show you the kits. I don't quite know what's gone wrong. My paper storage seems to have had a little bit of a malfunction, and as you can see, everything's kind of bent, but it will be all right because it's going to be cut apart. So this is Cara's Day 1. Lovely squirrel images, pocket tags, journaling cards, and some little bits of ephemera there. And this is Julie's Day 1. So this is a super envelope and some nice pieces of ephemera to decorate it with. That looks like fun. And this 1-cent stamp goes all the way through, and I think it's one of the, I'm not sure, one of the original presidents, but I'm not entirely sure which one, so I won't guess and show my ignorance. This is Cara's Day 2, a beautiful, beautiful tear sheet, absolutely lovely, incorporating lots of elements. And this sunflower, I realised last week before maybe, there was a sunflower freebie, so I might just add that in from one of Cara's Friday freebies. I think it will just go in there. So that's that one. And this is Julie's Day 2. So we've got some super journaling cards, more sunflowers. So we kind of, the sunflowers, pumpkins, mushrooms, butterflies, squirrels seem to be going through it, and this 1-cent stamp. It says Franklin, so that's Benjamin Franklin, isn't it? Yeah. Don't ask me the dates, one of the early ones. So that's that one. And then Cara's Day 3, we've got these super tags and some nice little bits of ephemera. So they're gorgeous. And this is Julie's Day 3. I absolutely adore this. Just, I love, this is one of Julie's things. She does these sort of long things that you can make into tags or notebook covers or whatever. They're just gorgeous. So we've got the owl, and then some more of these cigarette cards, and a lovely sort of collage here. Just lovely. Oh, I think that's a different president. Oh no, same one, just a different angle. Okay, now Cara's Day 4 is actually just, it's beautiful. It's a journal page, or we can tear it up in collage. So see what I'm going to do with that. Now you'll see my printer is not behaving at all well. It's coming out squint. And I think Mr. Mac and I may have to talk about perhaps getting me a new printer. If you're watching, Mr. Mac, and I know you are because you'll be doing the editing. So yeah, time we started looking into that, I think. But it's good enough for now. And here we have Julie's Day 4. Another of these lovely forms. They're gorgeous. I mean, she has an amazing personal collection of this stuff. It's just glorious. These are from France. They look like maybe old French postcards, kind of watercolours. And I don't know what they are. I think maybe they're kind of like badges, metal badges. I'm not sure. More butterflies and another stamp and one more squirrel. So here we are, Cara Brandon, Day 5. Got a couple of pockets, another tag, so that'll be great for tearing up, and some more ephemera. The only thing, these haven't printed very well for me, but I think that's my printer rather than any problem with the original picture. So that's that, and then here is page 5 of Julie's. We've got a bingo card with pumpkin and leaves, another owl, butterflies, more cigarette cards. Do you know a toadstool from a mushroom? The common toadstool is responsible to most deaths due to fungi poisoning. Well, there we go. Let's not eat any fungi. So that's the 5 pages each from Cara and Julie, which we're going to be using one day at a time. And then as an extra, Cara has given us some lovely journal pages. And again, I have made a complete mess of printing these out. You can see they're a bit small, but I'm going to use them anyway. I've decided I'm not going to waste ink by reprinting them. I have a solution, and this is gorgeous, and I think will make a beautiful, beautiful cover. I'm always amused because, of course, public school means 2 different things depending on which side of the pond you live. If you go to public school in the UK, you pay fees. And obviously, if you go to public school in the US, that is exactly what it says, a public school. And it's free. And then we've got this lovely, a lovely background, actually. So it could be a journal page, or it could be torn up into tags, all sorts of things. So oak leaves, butterflies, and that could be any kind of leaf. I'm not going to guess. I love this one. Super, super squirrel, and frame with a butterfly in. Now, the backgrounds that she's used here match, if I'm not mistaken, the tags from day, I think it's 3. So, yeah, that's the same pattern as that. That tag matches into this lovely page. This is just gorgeous. I just love the way she's done this. Yeah, it's one of my favourite pages out of the whole kit. Pumpkin pie. I don't think that anybody over here eats pumpkin pie, but of course it's huge, huge over the pond. And we only use pumpkins really in the UK for Halloween. We carve them, but otherwise we don't really eat them. No. And this is another journal page with a nice background. It's toadstools again and squirrels. And I'm interested in this now because I'm looking at the squirrel and he's got black markings. So again, I think the North American squirrel, if there is such a thing, is obviously very different from the European. I mean, we have the greys and we have the very rare reds here in Scotland. But yeah, he's got different markings, so I think he must be a bit different. And then this page I adore. And again, it's got that in it. Just love it. I love birds and butterflies, you know that. Birds, butterflies and flowers, that's me, sold. Lovely. And this then will be my middle page. So we've got the butterfly. That's a squirrel. Idiot. The squirrel repeated here and this lovely fawn. And I know they are, yeah, there you are. They're on day 1, the same images, the fawn and that squirrel. So that is a quick flip through of all of the pages, and we will be starting this collaboration on the 22nd of September, so just under 3 weeks to go, which is kind of giving us all a little bit more time to get ahead. The last time I think we only had about a week, so I will be getting ahead. I will be cutting some bits and pieces out, and I will see you to kick off day 1 on the 22nd of September. But obviously I will also hopefully have some other videos for you before then. So thank you all very, very much for watching, and thank you all, as I say, for sticking with me while I've been away, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.